Hello and welcome to this course on Autodesk Inventor. In this course you will learn Autodesk Inventor from basics to advanced level. So initially we are going to start with 2D sketching and we will learn about different sketching tools. After that we will learn about sketch editing tools and then we will learn how to create 3D features. And after that we will learn some advanced techniques in 3D modeling, and in the end we will learn how to create complex surfaces using the surface design feature in Autodesk Inventor. My name is Naveen and I am the instructor of this course. I have done masters in mechanical design engineering and my area of expertise is design and simulation. I have more than 8 years of experience in this field and I put all my knowledge and experience to create this course. Please go through the content of this course in the curriculum and I will see you in the course.